I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust the headlights of your Mitsubishi Adventure. First, park your vehicle on a level surface, about 25 feet from a wall or garage door. Ensure your tires are properly inflated and the fuel tank is full for accurate results. Next, measure the distance from the ground to the center of each headlight and mark these points on the wall with tape. This creates your reference line for proper aiming. Now, open your hood and locate the headlight adjustment screws. For the Mitsubishi Adventure, you'll typically find a vertical adjustment screw behind each headlight assembly. You might need a Phillips head screwdriver or a 10mm wrench to turn these. To ensure precise adjustment, cover one headlight with a towel or cardboard while working on the other. This helps you focus on one beam at a time. With your low beams on, turn the adjustment screw. Turning it clockwise usually raises the beam, while counterclockwise lowers it. For optimal low beam aim, the brightest part of the light should hit the wall approximately 2 inches below your marked center line. If your high beams are separate, adjust them so their brightest point aligns directly with the center mark you made earlier. This ensures maximum visibility without blinding oncoming drivers. After adjusting both headlights, step back and observe the beams on the wall. They should appear symmetrical and properly aligned. Take your Mitsubishi Adventure for a test drive at night to confirm the adjustments provide clear visibility without dazzling other drivers. If needed, make small, incremental adjustments. Remember, proper headlight alignment is crucial for safety. Also, check the description for a link to Little Tree's Black Ice and other great deals to keep your ride fresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.